like this house. I like.
Oh no, I don't.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Yo, who you?
Sorry, I was just taking a quick breather. My bad. I'm
I
leaving
got
right
you,
now,
but
brother.
I got you, but
I
who you is though?
apologize. Well, my name's Ruben, brother. I'm just sitting down for 2 minutes.
I got you. You can't
No
just
harm.
come up here with portraits. You feel me?
So I understand. I completely respect everything. I'm sorry.
All right, bro.
I wouldn't have done it, kind of an emergency, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Robert. Robert.
Can I help you?
Robert. No, Robert.
What are you doing there? You need to move along.
Okay.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, try not to leave any valuables or personal information in your vehicle just in case.
Can I help you?
This guy comes onto this porch asking for some money. They say you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so I guess he's trying his luck.
How can I help you? Hi.
Yes, sir. Can you spend me $4 there to go to the store? I ain't
Oh
got
no,
money.
I don't have it.
Hi there. I'm sorry to bother you so late. I've been walking around out here and I'm totally lost. Is there a way you can help me get to town or closer to town maybe? Please, I've been walking. I don't even know where I'm at, and I'm way out here. I'm foot. Where did you come from? How did you get out here? I don't even know. I took the wrong road on foot and I ended up like way out here. I thought I was going towards Santa Fe on the highway. I ended up going the other way. So I'm like way out here and I was like, anymore, dude. I don't even know where I'm at. Maybe you could get me into town. Please. Not too far. I think I passed like 2 exits over here. On foot. Yeah.
Not sure what this man's intentions was, but the owner lets him have it. If you know what he's saying, let me know.
Hey, what's going on, my friend?
Alex.
What's up?
Alex.
What's up?
Alex is here?
No. What Alex, man? Who is Alex?
Oh, your friend.
Por llama pues ya. Llama pues que ese man está muy raro, amor. Y está fumando. ¿Qué hijo de puta más raro, amor? ¿Me está escuchando, amor? ¿Y usted qué está haciendo? ¿Sí llamó?
Get away from my door.
Be careful with those Facebook transactions and try not to meet anybody at your personal home just in case. This man steals this gold chain from this lady.
Sí, mira. Ay, Dios. Why you on this front porch? Police is on their way to get you. The police is right on their way. Get the fuck away from here. I see you shitting on my side. Get the fuck away from here. Police on their way. Right now.
I'm not sitting there. I'm just waiting on the bus right here.
No, get your ass away from my property. The police on their way. Go to the bus stop.
All right, thank you. I just didn't want to sit there. Okay, thank you. I'm not sitting on your property.
No, get away from my property. I just called the police. They on their way.
Don't forget about those other delivery options. P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers.
Excuse me. Hey, you're on camera, buddy. Yeah.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
This is Catherine Bell. The Lord led me to come here.
This guy seems pretty scary to me. What's the point of keep walking away?
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Pussy. And I know you listen, y'all niggas. Like, keep playing on my energy, y'all niggas gonna die. Keep playing on my energy. And I know where you live. I like this house. I like this house. Keep playing on my energy, you niggas.
Get out of here. Get out. Somebody's stealing in the back where I live. Mm-hmm.
It's called Walker. Peter Parker. Chris P. Parker. My name is Chris Peter Parker. Sing soon. Have it. DCU.
Mike,
bitch, nigga, a fucking bitch. Oh, fucking bitch. Fucking bitch, ass, not a fucking bitch.
Live in here. How do I get out? I'm in the wrong apartment. What the hell? Sorry about that. What the fuck?
Whoa! ¡Mierda!
When you buy a bike or scooter, just buy some chains to go along with it, just in case. Or try to bring them inside. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.